序二段優勝 is Narutaki. Congratulations. Thank you. This is your first 各段優勝. What's going on through your mind? I'm just very happy I had a 優勝. Were you nervous today? Yes, I was really nervous. But I tried to focus on what I needed to do and went into my belt. And you went against Ryodan today? Yes, I went in head first, and I wanted to really do a oshizumo, which is my style. But at the end of the day, I had to end with I had to step back. But I got the win, so I just wanted to get the win. It was a fierce bout, but did that build confidence for you that you won this bout? Yes, when I go to the next basho in Sandame, I think this will prove to be useful. You've already had experience in Sandame, but what went well in this basho? I think I gained more weight this time, and I built muscles, and hard training has paid off. And when you entered sumo, there's been ups and downs in your weight. Yes, I lost 20 kilograms at one point, and I started to gain back about 6 kilos. And also I did a lot of exercise to build my muscles, and I think, did that lead to today's result? Yes, I think so. So what kind of sumo are you aiming to show us? Well, it remains unchanged. Oshizumo. I will continue to push forward. Any rikishi that you admire and aspire to become like? Ikyo is my favorite, and also yokozuna. Oh, or a rikishi who can beat a yokozuna. But I shouldn't declare anything at this moment. Good luck. Thank you. Back to you, Ross.